New York City is facing a pressing issue with its ever-growing rat population. In this comprehensive guide, we delve into the depths of the problem, providing insights, practical tips, and a recipe to tackle the NYC rat dilemma head-on. From prevention strategies to DIY solutions, arm yourself with the knowledge to reclaim your city from these persistent pests. Here's 10 tips. 1. Seal entry points. Conduct a thorough inspection of your home or building and seal any potential entry points for rats. 2. Proper waste disposal. Dispose of trash in tightly sealed bins and avoid leaving bags on the street overnight. 3. Remove water sources. Fix any leaks and eliminate standing water around your property to deprive rats of hydration. 4. Secure food storage. Store food in airtight containers to prevent rats from accessing their next meal. 5. Trim vegetation. Keep vegetation around your property well trimmed to remove potential hiding spots for rats. 6. Use rat-resistant trash bags. Invest in heavy-duty trash bags that are less likely to be breached by hungry rodents. 7. Adopt natural predators. Consider introducing natural rat predators like cats or owls to your neighborhood. 8. Employ traps and baits. Use rat traps strategically and consider using bait stations for more controlled extermination. 9. Regular inspections. Conduct routine inspections to identify and address potential rat infestations early on. 10. Collaborate with neighbors. Work together with your neighbors to create a united front against the rat problem, as it often requires a community effort. Rat repellent citrus spray recipe. Ingredients: 2 cups of water, 1 cup of white vinegar, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 1/4 cup of orange juice. Instructions: mix water, white vinegar, lemon juice, and orange juice in a spray bottle. Shake well to ensure thorough blending. Spray the mixture in areas prone to rat activity, such as entry points and potential nesting sites. Reapply the spray regularly for continued effectiveness. As we navigate the challenges posed by the surge in rat activity across NYC, implementing these tips and utilizing our rat repellent citrus spray recipe can empower residents to reclaim their living spaces. By fostering a sense of community and adopting proactive measures, we can collectively address the rat problem and preserve the unique charm of the city that never sleeps. Together, let's make strides toward a rat-free New York City.
Kindly show your support by liking, sharing, and subscribing to enjoy daily freshly brewed content with Ms. Coffee.